Hello everyone and welcome back to Roblox, and today we're playing Feather Family. Well, let's just play and let's see what bird that we gonna choose. I don't love hawk. Let's go with the macaw. No, the puppet. Let's see, texture. Wait, why invisible? Oh, there it is. Smooth. Well, it's something that here we are in a place that very dark. So let's see what can control it. It have run, build nest, call, set, and eat, and blah 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 blah. Let's fly. Flying, let's fly in the sky. Wow, it's fast. But I mean, look at that. We can run tall. Let's see. Let's gonna. Oh no. Oh what? He's fast as well when in water, but he's swimming with wing like he's swimming, flying water. Well, guys, let's move on to another bird. Okay, now we be a parrot. A marathon not in the beach, but in the dense of jungle floor. Let's enter the call. Wow, I think this one is fast. I didn't expect it. Let's see what we speak in land. Oh my god. I'm pretty fast. Yeah, I'm fast. Well, I can jump. Jumping bird. Well, let's go. No. Oh my god, I'm in the water. That's not cool, right? Oh my god, let's see what happened in there. This sunlight. Oh, that's on your base. Hello everybody. Anyway, let's move on to another bird. Okay, so now we be a tall, big ostrich. How can be wrong? Can be born in the Sahara Desert, which make me kinda strange. Well, I'm fast, but wait for seconds. Wait. Okay, guys, maybe I'm lost here. So let's move on to another bird. And now I'm be a hummingbird. That little cannot walk, but only can fly. And let's see, ooh, fresh water. Let's see if I can drink the water. Well, I can drink. Try. I really don't want to slow down. Slow down, buddy. Nope. I'll get the water. Let's fly. Whoa, this guy's fast. Can't stop. Wait. Oh my god, what's happening? Ah, help. Help. Oh my god, the game is lagging and I'm respawning on here? Are you kidding me? Well, let's be eat. We can. Oh my gosh. Hey, oh my god. Oh my god, are you kidding me? That was a tree. Wait a second. Guys, we drink the lava. This is normal. Then we can drink lava into we dead. Yeah, we dead. Okay, turkey. What is surprising bird? Let me produce it. This turkey can fly from this to this. Well, you can answer why I can't go into here. Well, control. I believe I can fly slow. That's why I can teleport into there. Anyway, what other power that this turkey can do? Can run. Wow, he's fast. Can jump. Yeah, jump. Look at him. But he can't. Wait, what's that? He can fly, but can't fly for a long time. Hello, parrot. What are you doing? I can stop to you. doing? Okay, let's chat here. Dance. Guys, you can dance! Oh my gosh! Look at these guys and dance. So anyway, let's why my display is on? I don't know. I'll just go grab my wings and